GoPro has ruled the action camera world for years, but in 2025, that might finally change. DJI has just dropped the Osmo Action 6, and it's already being called the ultimate GoPro killer. With a powerful new 1-inch sensor, 6K video recording, insane stabilization, longer battery life, and a rugged design built for any adventure, this little beast is ready to take over. So, is the Osmo Action 6 really the camera that dethrones GoPro once and for all? Let's find out. The world of action cameras has always been dominated by GoPro, but with every passing year DJI has been making bolder moves to challenge that dominance. Now, in 2025, the launch of the DJI Osmo Action 6 has sparked the biggest conversation in the action camera market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Touted as the real GoPro killer, this camera is not just a minor update to its predecessor but a full-fledged powerhouse designed for creators, adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers who want the very best in a compact, rugged form. The DJI Osmo Action 6 arrives with an aggressive push towards innovation, blending cutting-edge hardware with smart software to ensure that it is not just another alternative but a genuine competitor to the GoPro Hero 13. For many, it feels like DJI has finally cracked the code to dethrone GoPro, and the Osmo Action 6 could very well be the camera that shifts the balance in the industry. What makes the DJI Osmo Action 6 so special is that DJI has clearly listened to feedback from professionals and enthusiasts alike. Where previous DJI action cameras felt like they were still catching up to GoPro, this new model finally leaps ahead in critical areas. The design is sleek yet durable, with an even more refined body that balances rugged toughness with lightweight portability. It's waterproof straight out of the box, shock-resistant, and built to handle extreme conditions, making it a true companion for outdoor adventures, whether you're skiing down a mountain, diving into the ocean, or attaching it to a racing drone. The dual-screen design, which DJI has been perfecting since the original Osmo Action, is now sharper and brighter, offering creators full control no matter where the camera is mounted. Both front and rear displays have higher brightness levels and improved responsiveness, making framing shots under direct sunlight effortless. At the heart of the DJI Osmo Action 6 lies its most powerful sensor to date. DJI has stepped up by including a new 1-inch sensor, which is a massive improvement over the smaller sensors of earlier models. This change alone transforms the game. The larger sensor means better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and crisper detail that rivals even some mirrorless cameras in certain conditions. Footage now looks more cinematic, with natural colors and a pleasing balance between shadows and highlights. Whether you're recording under the harsh midday sun or capturing night scenes in the city, the Osmo Action 6 ensures you walk away with footage that feels professional. This is one of the key reasons why many are calling it the true GoPro killer, because it no longer feels like a compromise, but rather a leap forward. Video performance is where the DJI Osmo Action 6 truly shines. It is capable of recording 6K video at up to 60 frames per second, along with buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second for slow-motion enthusiasts. For extreme creators, it even supports 2.7K and 1080p at ultra-high frame rates for super slow-motion sequences, giving endless flexibility. Unlike many competitors, DJI has worked on removing recording limits and overheating issues, which plagued both GoPro and earlier DJI